In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Tag Manager account. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or a beginner just getting started, navigating through Google Tag Manager is a vital skill that can help streamline and enhance your digital strategy. So let's dive in. To begin, open your web browser and head to tagmanager.google.com. This is where the magic begins. Once you've landed on the site, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. This step is as crucial as accessing Google Tag Manager is tied directly to your Google credentials. Make sure your account has the necessary permissions to access Tag Manager, as this will ensure a smooth process going forward. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by the Accounts Overview page. This page is essentially your control center, providing an overview of all the Google Tag Manager accounts that you have access to. It's worth spending a moment here to familiarize yourself with this layout, especially if this is your first time. Each account listed here is a separate access point to different sets of data and management tools. Now, let's delve into the details you'll see on this overview page. You'll notice a list displaying all the GTM accounts you have permission to access, and each account is packed with essential details. First, you'll see the container name. This is usually descriptive, designed to quickly identify which website or digital asset it's associated with, such as my website. Descriptive names make it easier to manage multiple containers, especially in a busy digital environment. Next in line is the container type. Typically this will read something like web container. The type helps you understand what kind of digital environment the container is meant to serve, whether it's web, apps, or AMP pages. You'll also find the container ID displayed in a format like GTM XXXXXX. This unique identifier is crucial when you're troubleshooting or setting up integrations. It's a good idea to note it down or have it easily accessible for future reference. With these key pieces of information at your fingertips, you're already on your way to managing GTM more effectively. The final step is where the true action happens. To open the workspace and begin managing your tags, simply click on the account of your choice. This will open up a new interface where you can edit, add or remove tags and tailor the site to fit your analytics and tracking needs. And there you have it. By the end of this process, you should be comfortably managing your Google Tag Manager account with confidence. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you explore, the more proficient you'll become at utilizing this powerful tool to enhance your digital strategies. Thanks for tuning in and happy tagging.